Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of nutrition, and our spotlight is on a green powerhouse that goes beyond being just a side dish on your dinner plate. Brace yourselves for an exploration into the realm of broccoli, the unsung hero in the fight against certain cancers, especially those affecting the breast and prostate. Now, before you dismiss this humble vegetable as mere cruciferous foliage, stick around. The story of broccoli is not just about taste and texture. It's about a symphony of nutrients that might just be your ticket to a healthier, cancer-resistant life. Intrigued? Well, you should be. When we talk about broccoli, we're not just talking about a leafy green. We're talking about a reservoir of essential vitamins and minerals. Broccoli boasts a robust nutritional profile, packing a punch with vitamins such as A, C, and K, along with an array of minerals including potassium and folate. But what makes it truly remarkable are the antioxidants that dance within its vibrant green florets. These antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in our body, contributing to overall health and well-being. As you savor those crisp florets, you're not just treating your taste buds. You're providing your body with a cocktail of nutrients that act as the first line of defense against oxidative stress. The next time you enjoy a plate of broccoli, know that you're indulging in a nutrient-rich experience that goes far beyond just fulfilling your daily greens quota. As we venture deeper into the broccoli saga, we encounter a compound that's been turning heads in the world of health research: sulforaphane. Sulforaphane, with its unique molecular structure, has been the focus of numerous studies exploring its potential cancer-fighting properties. This powerful compound has been shown to activate detoxification enzymes in the body, aiding in the elimination of carcinogens and harmful substances. But the magic doesn't stop there. Sulforaphane has demonstrated the ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce apoptosis, the programmed death of these rogue cells. It's like giving your body an internal defense system against the development and progression of certain cancers, particularly those affecting the breast and prostate. In a world where chronic inflammation is often at the root of various health issues, broccoli emerges as a natural ally in the quest for overall well-being. Broccoli contains compounds that exhibit anti-inflammatory effects, helping to keep inflammation in check within the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a myriad of health concerns, from joint pain to cardiovascular issues. Incorporating broccoli into your diet may be a flavorful way to address this underlying concern. But how does it work? The answer lies in the unique combination of antioxidants and phytonutrients found in broccoli. These compounds act as a defense force, mitigating the inflammatory responses that, when chronic, can lead to various health challenges. Broccoli is not just about its satisfying crunch. It's about providing your digestive system with a helping hand for optimal performance. Broccoli is a rich source of dietary fiber, essential for maintaining a healthy digestive tract. Fiber plays a crucial role in promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation, ensuring that your digestive system operates like a well-oiled machine. But the benefits don't stop there. The fiber in broccoli also acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, enhanced nutrient absorption, and even a bolstered immune system. Broccoli is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins C and A, which are renowned for their immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C, in particular, acts as a powerful antioxidant, shielding our cells from damage and supporting the immune response. But the immune benefits don't end there. Broccoli also contains other bioactive compounds that contribute to immune system modulation, helping to strike a balance in its responses. Here are some cooking tips for extracting the maximum benefits from this nutritional powerhouse. Whether you prefer your broccoli raw, steamed, or roasted, the way you prepare it can impact its nutritional content. Eating broccoli raw preserves its natural enzymes and maximizes its vitamin C content. Try adding it to salads or enjoy it as a crunchy snack for a burst of freshness. Next is steaming. Steaming broccoli helps retain more nutrients compared to boiling. This gentle cooking method ensures that the vitamins and minerals stay locked in those vibrant green florets. Lastly, roasting broccoli can enhance its flavor while maintaining a good portion of its nutritional value. The caramelization process adds a savory dimension that might make even the pickiest eaters into broccoli enthusiasts. By experimenting with different cooking methods, you can cater to your taste buds while reaping the full spectrum of health benefits. As our broccoli journey comes to a close, I hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for this unassuming yet extraordinary vegetable. If you found this journey through broccoli's health benefits insightful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more health insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a crunchy, nutritious update. Thank you for joining us on this broccoli adventure. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.